What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're taking a look at the Deeprio Rvv Smartwatch. So this was sent out to me by the company Touch Elect. So a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. Now you can pick this up on Amazon.com. The price is going to be $36.99. They're also offering a $7 discount coupon that you can apply as well. So this is going to be a budget smartwatch, but it's got a ton of features that we're going to go over. So the link will be in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So this has a 1.8-inch 500 nit touchscreen display. It has a 300 milliamp hour battery that'll give you about 10 days worth of actual use, and it has 30-day standby. This has Bluetooth 5.3. It's IP68 dust resistant and WR30 water resistant. Now this is going to work with your Android and iOS devices. This has 100+ watch faces, but you can also choose your own watch faces. It has 100 different workout modes, which is going to include all your workouts: cycling, running, jogging, swimming, whatever you want. It's going to be there. You got 24-hour, 24/7 heart rate monitoring. It's going to track your sleep tracking, your O2, your stress levels, and different things like that. You're going to be able to make phone calls with this, answer phone calls, reply to text, play music. We're going to get into all of that. And also, this features languages from 21 different countries. So those are a few of the features and details. We'll get into more as we get into the watch here. So you see the branding there, nice picture of the watch. Looks very nice there. And then on this side, you're going to see some more specs that we talked about: the 500 nits of brightness, IP68 water resistant, Bluetooth calling with ENC. And then on this side, some more specs that I talked about: 100+ sports modes, smart UI, heart rate monitoring, and Bluetooth 5.3. And then it just says simply make a difference right here. So let's go ahead and get into the box and check it out. All right, guys, so we're back in, have the unboxing knife out. Cut this little piece of tape here, and we'll see what's all included in the packaging. Like I said, a budget smartwatch, but it seems like it has all of the features that one would need for a smartwatch if you don't want to spend a bunch of money on some of the more popular brands. Then this would maybe what a person would need. So very lightweight, that I can tell here. Let's go ahead and get this apart. It's kind of trolling me here. All right, I guess we're going to open it from the side. Yeah, I'm about to tear it up, guys. So let's go ahead and open up the bottom part over here. See what all we got in here. And this, that, and then I guess the watch just comes out from the top. Yeah, I was about to disassemble the whole packaging now. We're going to put the watch over to the side. So in the packaging, we're going to get a little brochure here where you can scan this barcode for your 1-year warranty. You're going to get your instructions manual here telling you how to pair this, how to turn it on, what the buttons are for, different things here that you're going to get in there. So you're going to be able to successfully pair your watch. And then we got a little bag here, and this is going to be your charging cable, I'm pretty sure. So let's see what we got here for us the charging. So it's got this little magnetic charging on here with the type A, so that's a good look. And then here's the watch. So the watch is definitely not a lightweight watch. It feels substantial in the hand. Tells you how to power it on right there, and charge to activate the watch. And here it is. So very nice looking watch. Looks similar to some of the other watches out there. It's a little thick, as you guys see. You got two. You've got a mic and a speaker there. I'm not sure. We'll go over that. We're just doing the unboxing part of it now. And then you got this rubberized band. Very flexible, feels good. On the back of it, you're going to have some branding there, and you got your sensors there as well. These bands can be replaced, as you guys see the little quick release on there. And then here's your power button and your 1.8-inch display. So very nice looking rounded corners here. This is made out of plastic. Let's see if we got any power. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up and then we'll come back. Okay guys, so we're back in. I have the watch paired up to my iPhone 14 Pro Max. I've been using it a few days now and I want to come back and let you guys know what I think about the watch. So just to tell you straight off the bat, the watch is awesome for a budget smartwatch. So pairing process was very easy. There was a barcode that you scan on the watch and just follow the simple instructions. To get the most out of the watch, you download this Deeprio app here. And like I said, this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is your status page on the app. It's going to have the name of the watch here, your status, recent updates, your time right there. And then you're going to have your activities. So it'll give you your steps counts for the day, for the week, for the month, and for the year. It keeps up with all of that. I haven't been too active today. You got your calorie count. It's going to be the same thing for the week, month, and year. You're going to have your workout duration, the same thing, week, month, and year. And the times that you stand per week, per month, per year, the same thing, and the date. You got your workout record here. You can see just how much you've been active for the week. If you do this, the month and the year as well. Let's go ahead and get out of this. You got your sleep tracker, which is good. I wear the watch last night. You guys can see I almost slept about 8 hours. It's going to have it for the week. As you guys see, I wore it 2 days, your month and your year. And then it gives you your average sleep time, your average sleep duration, deep sleep. It tells you if you're in deep sleep, average light sleep, and rapid eye movement. So it breaks it down, these categories, and it tells you, how much you should have got and stuff like that. You got your heart rate as well, your average heart rate, and it'll tell you, the highest heart rate and your lowest right there. Also give you abnormal. Your O2, how much water level right there. Tells you how low it was and things like that. Your calories burned and your stress. And you can edit these cards if you want. Next, this is your workout. I'm going to get off of that. That shows my my location there, but I haven't used that, but I plan on using it for walking pretty soon. So next, this is your device page. It tells you one device connected. It's going to give you your power right there, which is at 28% on the battery. I got my frequent contacts I could set up here if I wanted to. You can set what apps you want to get notifications from. We'll get into that. You got your daily reminder, your alarms, your water reminder, your stand-up reminder, event calendar. You got your heart rate monitoring. You can set this to monitor 24/7, or you can set it up for every 5 minutes, or you can just set it up for the intervals linked there. And then you can set where you want it to remind you, let you know where your heart rate is. Continuous blood oxygen monitoring, stress management, movement mode. You can turn that on. Let's go ahead and get in. So for walking, your automatic workout, you can use this remote for your device to take pictures as well. And then you can, here's just some more stuff, your weather. You can set it for your region you're in, for Fahrenheit or Celsius. Your quick cards here. That is on your watch. You can change those out if you want. Let's go ahead. You got your application center here. You can choose to use this in single row or a grid like I have it set up. Over there, upgrade, languages. You can choose your languages here. So there's a bunch of languages here. And that's pretty much it on that page. And then this is your about page. This is where you can set up your personal information there, your height, birth date, weight, things like that. You can set your goals, how many calories you want to burn, your target steps, how many times you want to stand, the standing duration. You got your messages there. And then just some other stuff here. You can go into your settings and set up your account, language settings, unit setting, different things like that. So that is pretty much the app on the phone. So we're going to go ahead and set that to the side. And let's go ahead and take a look at the watch. So the watch's touchscreen is the touchscreen is not bad. It's very comfortable on the arm. I do like the 1.8-inch display, very big and bright and colorful. You can change out your watch faces here. So if I swipe over, I can go to different watch faces. You guys see, but this is one that I prefer right here. I forgot to show you guys on the app where you can find the watch faces as well. So let's go over here, and here are the watch faces here. Overlook that completely. So here are all of the watch faces that you can get. You got your workout watch faces. You got your simplicity watch faces, simple, movement, minimalist, mechanical, contracted, analog, sports, pointer, minimalist, mechanical, function, classic, just a ton of watch faces there. And you can download those to the phone and use what you want. You can also customize it. So this watch face here, as you guys see, I got my heart rate, my steps, the date, the time, that's the calories burned and how many times I stand, and the battery percentage. As you guys see, the battery percentage is at 27%. When I took it out of the box 2 days ago, it was at 49. So you got your music controller. Now this works great as well. Let's go ahead and try that out. So I'm playing a selection there, and I can stop it, start it. And you can also raise the volume up and down right here just by tapping on the display. And if I was in a music app, I could switch selections as well, just demonstrating that real quick, that it works great. You got your weather here. You can't interact. You can just see the current time and where you're located at. This is your heart rate monitor here. If I had the watch on, it would monitor, it would give me my reading. As you guys see, the highest reading I had was a couple of days ago as I was walking, 106. This is my sleep from last night, which we looked at. And then this is your total activities here. There's a notification that came in right there. I can swipe it away. And then back to the home page here. Swipe down from the bottom. This is your quick toggles. So you're going to have your do not disturb right there. You got your brightness, and the way you adjust it, you just tap this. It doesn't open up into an app or anything. You got your power saving mode that you can activate. This is your raise to wake right here. Lift your wrist. This is your flashlight. So you can use the display as a flashlight as well. And then you got your settings right here. And this way you can go in and change your watch faces there if you wanted to. I like that one, so I'm going to leave it there. You swipe back from the side over here to get back. It's a little bit easier when you have the watch on your arm. You got your display right here. You can set your brightening, screen on time. You can go up from 5 seconds to 15 seconds. I got it at 15. And then your raise to wake. You got your sounds and notifications. You can adjust the volume here. You can turn whether you want a ringtone or you don't. I'm going to turn the ringtone on, and then your vibration intensity there. And then you got your workout mode right there. Recognize workout automatically. Let's go back. Do not disturb. Your general, which is going to be, if you look at it in grid or view, single row, power off, restart, and reset. Did we do workout already? I think we did. And then your about. So that is it in your drop down. If you swipe this way, this is where you get to your cards there. Let's go back. And then if you swipe from the bottom, much easier on your wrist, this is your notifications. So you can open those up, go back. That's text message there. These are emails that came in. These are your notifications. You can't really interact with them. And on your text messages, you do not have the quick reply on the iPhone, but on an Android phone, you have quick reply presets already, but not on the iPhone. So when you press the button one time, this is how you get into your main menu. In your main menu, if you tap right here, that's your total activity for the day right there. You're going to have your phone caller right here. So you got your call history, as you guys see. You're going to have your frequent contacts if I set those up. Then you're going to have your dial pad. Now, I have to say, talking on the phone with the watch, very nice. I was told that I sound really good, and it sounds great, they said. This is your workout. These are all your different workouts here. You can start your running, walking, football, basketball, all your workouts there. You're going to have your heart rate monitor information there, your SpO2. You got your stress level, your sleep tracking. This is to start a new workout and record it. This is your breathing. If you want to do the breathing exercise, you got your alarm clock. You got your weather. Create an event or a reminder right there. This is for your female audience out there. This is going to be your tools. So you got stopwatch, timer, music controller, camera control, find my watch, my phone. So if I hit this, so my phone is buzzing right now, vibrating. So if I had my ring on, I could definitely hear that. So find my phone right there. And then of course we did flashlight. So let's go back out. And then you got your regular settings that we've already went over. So that's a look at the watch there. Like I said, it's pretty accurate with the settings on here, the heart rate monitor and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and call the phone and call my phone and let you guys see how a phone call looks with coming in. So let's do that. All right, guys, so we're back in. I'm going to call myself from my other line on my Z Fold 4. So let's go ahead and make that call, let you guys see how it look and sound. All right, so that is the sound and the look of it. So if I wanted to answer it, just tap that and I'm answering it. You guys can hear me talking. I'm going to go ahead and send myself a text message and let you guys see how that look. So the text message should be coming through. And there's the text message from Will. I can ignore it if I want. So I'm going to go ahead and ignore it. And that is how they look, how messages and phone calls come in. Like I told you earlier, talking on the phone, on the watch taking phone calls on the watch is great. So let's go ahead and look at it and see how it looks on my wrist. And let you guys see how big this is on my wrist. So here's the watch on my wrist, 1.8 inch, very nice display on it. Looks great outside in the sunlight. I can definitely see it at 500 nits, so it's not a problem outside seeing it. And the watch that I've been using before is the Amazfit Bip 3. And as you guys see, the display on this is much bigger and much brighter. This has more features than the Amazfit Bip 3. I can take phone calls, make phone calls on this where I can't on the Amazfit. You can set your personalized wallpapers, papers on here, clocks faces on here as well. This does a better job of your notifications and keeping up with all your activities to me than the Amazfit Bip 3. So not bad for the price. These are not too far in difference in the price, but this one is definitely a nice, smart, simple smartwatch that you can pick up. So I definitely leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. The Deeprio Rvv Smartwatch. Definitely worth picking up in my opinion. Link will be in the description. Will H. I'm out.